Did you know that 99.9% of men with ED have completely neglected the one muscle that keeps blood in the penis? It's true. Just like your biceps, this muscle gets weak and sags over time, and it's killing your erections. But what if you could give it 10,000 contractions in just 20 minutes without doing a single exercise? Today, I'm showing you the exact device that does this automatically, plus why the L-arginine supplements you are taking might just be giving you really expensive urine.
Most men think losing peak performance is just getting old. I would tell you it's not. There's a natural, proven protocol doctors rarely talk about that will restore your confidence without side effects. It is called the My Get Heart System, and you can get that by joining the Modern Man Club today. Go to noedman.com. That's noedman.com, and I'll see you there. What is the Kegel machine? The Kegel machine is a machine that you put a pad on the muscles under the tape right here. So these muscles right here are called pelvic muscle. They're the muscle between your scrotum and your rectum right here, your anus. And the muscle that goes into like a V, like that, all right? And it goes up and it wraps around the base of the penis. So those muscles are called pelvic muscles, and they help keep the blood in the penis. They come from here. So the Kegel machine, what it does is that it's an electrode pad that you put on here and attach it to a machine. And then there's a machine that you do click, you click, 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 click. And then what it does contraction. It contracts the muscles and it strengthens those pelvic muscles, the two pelvic muscles right here. And it strengthens it because 99.9% of men with ED have weak pelvic muscle, because those are actual muscles like your bicep, but they're weak because you never exercise it. So over the years, gravity pulls on it because it makes it lax, and also over the years they get atrophy and weak. Quick note before we go any further, if you're a high-income man, usually the age between 45 to 85, and you're ready to invest to fix your ED without relying on pills or surgery, I have the Get Hard Protocol, an in-office program where we treat you in Virginia. We combine stem cells, shockwave, Botox, hormones, and lifestyle to help restore natural erection. It's not for everyone. You must be able to travel to Virginia and be comfortable investing around $16,000 for your health. If that's you, pause this video for a moment, click the link down below in the description that says Get ED Breakthrough with Dr. Ann and complete the application. If you're not in that position yet, no problem. Keep enjoying this video and check out our Modern Man Club at noedman.com. So you need to strengthen the pelvic muscle by doing the Kegel machine. You can get it at our store at ednomore.com. It's just an electrode you put on here, and the machine will just make the muscle stronger. Within 20 minutes, the machine will give you about 10,000 contractions. So before, I used to have you do Kegel by yourself, but now there's a machine that you can just slap on there and it will contract the muscle. So that's called the Kegel machine. Go to our store at ED No More and you'll see it there. Very easy to use. You get everything that you need to do, but those muscles are neglected because they're the ones that keep the blood in the penis. They're important. They're very, very important, but you never exercise it. Those of you that are here on YouTube and on Facebook and Twitter, do you do pelvic muscle exercise? Probably not. And women need to do that too, because when women, it helps keep the urine in their bladder, prevent them from losing urine when they're coughing or sneezing or laughing. But for men, those pelvic muscles are important for erection. It keeps the penis firm, keep the blood in there. So it's a very, very important muscle that you never pay attention to, right? That you don't do. In fact, that's why I recommend you doing the Kegel machine when you have moderate ED. So take the test, find out whether you're mild, moderate, or severe. And I just really told you what you need to do at home. You can really do a lot at home. And in the severe case, you probably need to come to the office for the stem cell treatment, for the more intensive treatment. But if you're mild moderate, you can probably do most of it on your own, but you got to be consistent. You got to be persistent. And some of you may need testosterone replacement therapy as well too. to make sure you get your blood work done. You get your blood work done, you'll know what your testosterone levels are. So that's a good case of treating ED. Take the test and you will have an answer what to do. And join the Modern Man Club. When you join the Modern Man Club, you will be given the roadmap of what you need to do. And then when you join the Modern Man Club, you have any questions, you can come in to our question session and ask our dietitian, ask our exercise expert, and ask our mindset expert on what to do. Because those are the things you need to get rewired, again, to get your erection back. So guys, you can get your erection back. You just got to put some effort into it, okay? Okay, Modern Man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. What's the best supplement to take for blood flow? So the best supplement to take for blood flow is nitric oxide, but you want to take the nitric oxide that is from arugula. It's like the one that we have in our store at ednomore.com, because when you take the supplement that we have, which is nitric oxide, it goes straight to your stomach and become nitric oxide. But if you take nitric oxide supplement from L-arginine and L-citrulline, your body have to convert it to nitric oxide. And after the age of 40, 50% of us lose the enzyme to convert it, meaning half of you don't have the enzyme to convert it. So when you take L-arginine and L-citrulline, your body can't convert it. You're just having a very expensive urine instead of trying to get nitric oxide. The best supplement is to take the nitric oxide that we have. In fact, it is so good that if you take 2 nitric oxide, which is made from arugula in our store, and you do the penis pump, and if you do this before sexual activity, it works very, very well. I have heard feedback that it is almost like a Viagra right before having intercourse. So it'll help you get firmer. And then the penis pump is like exercising your penis before you get an erection, okay? And then combine that, if you take the nitric oxide from arugula, combine that with a Mediterranean diet, which focuses on fruits and vegetables. So if you eat like nitric oxide high food like arugula, broccoli, lettuce, beets, any vegetable that is bright color, it will give you nitric oxide. If you eat a salad with bell peppers, with beet, right after that, you can literally raise your nitric oxide level. Like say you're going on a date, eat a salad with lots of vegetable, add beets in there. And then before sexual activity, take 2 nitric oxide from our store. I think you're going to be ready to rock and roll. And believe it or not, at our store, you can also buy nitric oxide strip. You measure in your saliva. It's a strip, and then you just dip it on your tongue, and then the color from the strip, either it's bright pink color, or no color at all, or just a tinge of pink. So you can measure from your saliva your nitric oxide level. And most of us have low nitric oxide because we don't eat enough vegetables. And nitric oxide is not only good for erections, it's also good for blood flow to your brain, to your heart, and everywhere else. So nitric oxide increases blood flow. So check out the nitric oxide store at ednomore.com. I appreciate you guys being here. I love these questions, and these questions help me think about how I can best serve you guys better. Thank you.